You feeling a little warm and fuzzy? Yeah, that's your debit card calling. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by NADULA Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys, and let's just say this was easy breezy out the pack. Nothing crazy with this one, but you may go crazy for that price point. Your girl brought the looks and the savings. But before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit is from NADULA Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. This is a 7x5 by Notch 3.0 unit. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-colored. And it also comes with the drawstring if the unit is long enough. From 10 to 14 inches is the normal cap. So no drawstring, no combs on the side, just a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and the removable elastic band that you can, adjust for your liking. For the 16 to 25 inches, you get all that plus the drawstring. So make sure you understand that before you start complaining about your wig doesn't have this, that, and third. My wig don't have it either. I don't have the drawstring in my wig because this is a 12 inch. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my wig down with some, not that one. I'm gonna spray my wig down with some hair perfume because I'm not gonna wash it, okay? And I'm not in a rush today, I just don't feel like washing it, so. But do wash your wig because it does come with a slight chemical smell that you do not wanna walk around with, okay? Oh, before I put this wig on, let me tint my lace. Where's the powder that I want? I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Put it on my wig brush right here. I call it a wig brush, but it's not. This is a Morphe. No, it's not. I'm lying. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. That's what I use to blend my powder on the wigs. Take it around the edge of the lace. That pre-cut lace is cut with those sewing scissors. I'm hoping I can rock this unit glueless because I really don't feel like gluing anything down today. While I pop this on my wig, I'm gonna tell y'all that this wig is under $100. About $95 to be exact, okay, with my coupon code. They give you a coupon on the site and then give you another coupon with me. Thank you. I'm all for the savings, okay? Especially in this climate, I need to keep all my money that I can keep, okay? Fit down, fit down. Ooh. Let me pull that back a little bit. I got a lot of full hair real estate, so I can do that. Oh, I don't have my claw clip in here. That's okay, that's okay. What was I saying about that coupon? Oh yeah, use it, because you want to save your money. I know I do. Let me be clear. Under 95 is $94.04. Listen, with all this pre going on, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and present that card to that site. Listen. Click them buttons real quick. It does have the cutout ear tabs on the side. They are shaped a little bit differently. The old ones used to have the curvature around the back, whereas the new updated ones kind of have like a curve over the ear and then kind of slant towards the back. I feel like I like this curvature a little bit more just because I wear glasses, and so with the curvature, when it goes around the ear, it kind of presses down on my glasses and it doesn't really make it as comfortable after a while. With this one, I can just kind of put my glasses on top and then all I feel is my glasses. I'm not feeling no type of pressure behind the ear. This is what the wig is looking like with a little bit of tinting. It's a little ashy, but we're gonna fix it. So I'm gonna use my contour palette here. This is the dark to medium shade, and I'm gonna use the contour shade right here. I'm just gonna blend that harsh line out, wipe off any excess. I could have did this off my head, but I just realized that I wanted to do it. And now I need to blend down my hairline. I want it to be glueless, so I'm using my Nairobi Mousse around the hairline as a mold, not a hold. That elastic band is what's holding this wig in place. And the fact that this is kind of, snug on my head. I am 23 gang every day. So big head girls, you can wear this one. If you want to use the comb to pull this down, you can do that. I probably won't. I may try to do that after I style the wig. I don't want to do it too soon because it'll pull and my hairline won't, it just won't look right. They sent me an edge brush. Let me get that. This is like their new brushes. So it has the brush and the comb, or you can take that off and just put on the brush. I'm gonna pull out some hair right here because there's no real baby hair on this unit. I'm gonna cut these a little bit shorter. Put a little bit more mousse on the hairline, and I'm just gonna swoop, bring down, swoop, make sure this is straight. I mean, I could cut these a little bit shorter. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the edges right here and just swirly them around. Now I want them to be a little bit teased up right here. Let me get my band and wrap it down right there. Let me brush the hair out so I can straighten it real quick. I'm using my TYMO Hot Comb to get all the bumps out of the hair. I have it on setting number 3. Okay, and it looks pretty decent, okay, without the wash. I'm gonna put a little bump in it, so don't worry about the little flip up at the ends in the back. First, I need to add a little bit of Sleek and Shine, my Sleek and Shine serum. Rub that in the hair, put that on the hair. Hair feels soft. It's, you know, it's moving. It's a yak, but it's moving. For this to be $100 color job, you know, I'm not mad at it. I do wish the chestnut brown color kind of came up a little bit further in some sections, just to kind of make it look a little bit more blended. It's blended, okay, there's no harsh line where the highlight is. It's all in one section of the hair. I wish some of it kind of came up a little bit closer to the root area, just to kind of break that up a little bit so it didn't look as perfect. Am I making sense? So although you should expect the expected in this price point, Nadula still gives you a lot for this price point, okay? This is a $94 bob. When you wash this hair, you will see the crinkle in the hair a lot more. You guys can see that. You will see that a lot more. You will need to go in and blow dry the hair and then press it. Could I use the flat iron and try to straighten that out? Of course. Am I going to do it right now? No. I do want to get out any extra bumps that I might have in this wig. I am getting some shedding with my wig, so you more than likely will get shedding with yours. Like I said, this is a pre-colored unit, and the roots are already degraded because of the slight bleaching of the roots. So you have bleach roots and you have pre-colored hair. So double degradation in there, you will have shedding. When it comes to shedding for me, unless I'm seeing major clumps or big clumps coming out of my wig, it doesn't really bother me. I just brush off my shoulder and keep it moving. Let's be real, your natural hair sheds, what, like 500 pieces a day? So they're just trying to be realistic. Bump, 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 bump. Too tight. I'm gonna take a little bit of hairspray, just spray it up here and let it fall down to lay down these little bit of flyaways. Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray. Almost done. Let me take off this band in the back. Ooh. Bring that down. A little chunky in there. That's okay. We're gonna brush some of that back because I don't need all of that. Okay, you know I got the bars. So you see that mold in there? So you see what I did? Just brushed it back and it made it fluffy. This side is not the same. That's okay. Let me blend in my makeup over here. Got that line on my forehead. Oof. Gotta make sure my hairline is right, you know? Comb it back, way back. Use the excess for my contour brush. Just blend that in. I'm gonna put a little powder in my parting space. I'm gonna use the milk chocolate again. Right up in here, because it was a little ashy in some areas. So let's just make it all one color. There we go, yo. There we go, yo. Do one more pass with this curler in the front. And all this heat I'm putting on the hair, nothing's happened to it, okay? It's not changing the texture of it. It's not burning it. It's not making it stink. It's, you know, it's just fine. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Do we see, wait a minute, I see that piece. Let me get that out of there. Do we see this wig on me? $94. Listen, if you don't do nothing today, I want you to be serious, okay? Seriously consider grabbing this one. And even though it's a bob, you can still do some styles with this. Curl it up, pin it up, swoop it up, do whatever you want to do. I don't think I mentioned it before, but this unit does come with a bendable ear tab on the side, which I feel like could get in the way if you wear glasses like me. I don't mind having the unit or the track on the side that kind of gives me a more like flat finish. This kind of makes it a little bulky around the side for me, okay? Personal preference, but it does help with the security, especially if you're gonna wear this unit all the way down, or if you wanna hide any type of edges or imperfections that you may have around your hairline. So, you know, there you go with that. But y'all see the gluelessness? Look at the gluelessness of it all. Even though it's a yak and it probably will get stiff after a while, I got the movement right now. Just because this wig is more affordable does not mean you take her off and treat her like trash, okay? That's not the point. That means you give her a little bit extra TLC. Don't be jumping in the ocean with this kind of hair. Don't do that. Have her as a plop and go. You hear me? I know y'all probably like, girl, I get it. Some of y'all don't. And that's quite okay. I'm gonna keep telling you, okay? I'm gonna keep telling you. I'm just here to show y'all what may be available in your price point. Pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-colored. You gotta get in where your pockets fit in. And your pockets may be fitting in right here. You feeling a little warm and fuzzy? Yeah, that's your debit card calling. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.